Hello everyone, it's Donna, and today we are going to take this little donut clip art and turn it into an applique design. I actually already did this just a couple of minutes ago, and I've got my microphone on. I just never started the recording, so this is going to be take two. And this is going to be kind of like an easy peasy kind of way to do an applique, and we will show this to you real quick. So let's go. So first thing we're going to do is click the little magic lasso or magic wand stick here. Right click on it and do a fill stitch and click on the outer part and go ahead and generate your stitches. I'm going to go ahead and give this a color from Marathon. We'll call it Golden Poppy. Sure, why not? And we're actually going to convert this and create an outline from the fill. Okay. Um, we'll go ahead and delete the full fill thing. The inner one right here, we can delete because, well, no, let's go ahead and leave this because we want this. This one right here is the outline of the donut, and what we're going to do is that's going to be the placement line, and we're going to just right now change this inner one, the color of it. Let's go with a red color right now. But this one, we will change it to a different color because the first Golden Poppy one was the actual placement guideline. So we're just going to do a smoothing C. How does that sound? And we're going to leave the red one where it's at for the moment right here. So this one is exactly like this one, and it will be the actual tack down where you place your material, run the tack down, take it out, trim it and everything, and then we are going to copy and paste the original Golden Poppy one again, and we're going to change its parameters and make it satin stitches. I'm going to do 4-inch wide or 4mm wide. Generate my stitches, and there is the outline of the applique. So also what we're going to want to do is before we do this particular thing, we're going to go ahead and generate the stitches for this inner circle. We will go ahead and convert it to a fill. Remove this. We're going to actually bring the outer one that is the satin stitch to the front, and this right here will be, it will stitch out when it stitches this tack down so that you'll know to trim the center of the donut out. So we're going to make this the exact same color, and then we're going to take this one right here, make it the same. No, we're gonna delete that right now. Just forget I said that. Okay, so right now we have, if we look at this in a 3D mode, we have the outline for the actual outside edge of the donut. So we've already got this color right here. So we're actually now going to move it to the front, and this is actually going to be the guideline placement for whatever color you're going to do in here, and I'm going to go ahead and do the chocolate. So I've got this. I'll paste it in again along with this one, and we're going to change the color of these to something else. This will be the placement or the tack down stitches. This top one is the placement. This is the tack down stitches, and we're also doing this circle here because we want to cut that out as well. Okay, so then we're going to take both of these, copy and paste one other time. We're going to change the color. Let's do from the image. So we're going to get the brown, and now we'll go into our color chart, and I'm going to do regular brown, not the dark brown. And we're going to change the parameters. Whoops. And we're going to say satin stitches on these, both with the 4mm. Okay. So when you do this, now you have the frosted part of the donut. The circle will still be there for the hole in the donut, and it's going to have the chocolate color for the ring around it. You could actually use the yellow part, but you know, I'm just going to leave it chocolate. Okay, and next thing I'm going to do is hit this little button again and hit the column, and I'm going to generate a stitch here, and let's look at this. It looks nice and round, so that one I can use. We will go back, we will copy and just paste this where all of the donut little sprinkles are. Whoops. Need to undo that. Grab this one. Move it here. Make sure I lost count. Okay. And all I'm doing is pasting that back in. And I realize I have to fix that move of the circle, the inner circle. And I will in a second. Sometimes when trying to do these videos, things don't always work out perfectly, and you know, I make lots of mistakes, but I normally try to correct them. So these two, nope, just this one. Line it right back up, and if we generate all the stitches, this is our final donut. So see how easy that was? I will go ahead and group all the little white ones, and we are going to save this design. And that's it for today. Super sweet and quick video. We will talk to you later. Bye.